Welcome. In this video, we'll walk you through the steps of the repair and deduct process in Louisiana. This process allows you to handle necessary repairs in your home when your landlord doesn't take action. Let's get started. Step 1. Check your lease. Before starting the repair and deduct process, review your lease carefully. First, check if there are any waivers or specific clauses about repairs in your lease. This could include agreements where you, as the tenant, are responsible for certain repairs. Next, determine who is responsible for specific types of repairs, as some leases may require tenants to handle minor fixes. Be sure to also note the start and end dates of your lease. This helps you understand your rights and obligations within the lease period. Look for any methods of communicating property issues with your landlord and any notice requirements to follow the process of requesting a repair from your landlord. Step 2. Notify your landlord. First, draft a letter informing your landlord about the needed repairs. Make sure it's in writing. You can send this letter by mail, email, text, or in person. Follow any specific methods or instructions mentioned in your lease. Keep a record of all communications and any responses from your landlord. Step 3. Give your landlord a reasonable time. After notifying your landlord, allow your landlord reasonable time to make repairs. Let your landlord access the property to assess and make the repairs. They do not need to give notice to enter and fix the issue. Continue documenting the repair issue, especially if it worsens over time. Note any changes and keep a record of all communications. If your landlord doesn't act, you can begin by finding a professional to give you a repair estimate. It is recommended that you find a professional in the line of work needed to make your specific repair. A qualified professional can give you a real and accurate estimate for the cost of the repair. Look at the costs of the repair and the repair estimate. Remember, you can't deduct more than your rent amount for repairs. Step 4. Make the repairs. If your landlord fails to fix the problem in a reasonable time, you can proceed with the repairs. Document the condition of the property before and after the repair with photos and videos. Keep all receipts and records of the work done. Step 5. Notify your landlord again. After completing the repairs, draft a second letter to your landlord. In this letter, you can demand immediate reimbursement or notify them that you'll deduct the repair costs from future rent. Attach all proof of payment and any other documentation related to the repair. This should cover receipts, bank statements, and any communication records. Step 6. Paying your rent. When paying your rent, deduct the repair costs if your landlord accepts this method. Send your notice and proof of repair costs along with your rent payment. Make sure to pay your rent on time to avoid issues. If your landlord accepts the rent minus the repair costs, you're less likely to face eviction for non-payment. Keep all documentation as proof. Step 7. Possible legal action. If your landlord refuses to reimburse you, you can consider taking legal action in small claims court. Keep all your documentation as proof. This will also help if your landlord tries to evict you for non-payment of rent. Following the repair and deduct process can be a defense against eviction. Ensure you seek legal advice to navigate this process correctly. For more information, visit louisianalawelp.org. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your repairs.